Welcome to the Medical College of Wisconsin's Human and Molecular Genetics Center's website. I appreciate you stopping by and taking a look at our site, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about the Human and Molecular Genetics Center, or what we call the HMGC. The HMGC was founded in 1999 with the goal of learning how to take genomic sequence into the clinic to improve the practice of medicine. And so sequencing somebody's genome or reading their genome is becoming the foundation of what's being called personalized medicine or individualized medicine. And there's a variety of other names: genomics medicine, sequence medicine, but they're really all the same thing. And the fundamental principle of reading your DNA or a patient's DNA is to understand your family history at a quantitative level, and being able to now say, with all the medical research that's been done, that's now all digitalized, how do we interpret this information against your genome? And this is really personalized medicine. So what makes the Medical College of Wisconsin unique, and our hospital partner, Children's Hospital of Wisconsin, and our adult hospital, Froedtert Memorial Lutheran Hospital? Well, it's the fact that we've actually put a clinical program in place. And we've just completed a pilot project in order to ask the question of, can we use somebody's DNA and reading all of it through something that's called whole genome sequencing as a clinical tool? And the answer is yes, we can do that. And it's not going to solve all of the problems, but it is the beginning of us looking at medicine in a completely different way. I'll give you an example. We know that some drugs have genes that are involved in making proteins that are involved in how that drug is processed. And there are people that should take more of a drug or less of a drug depending on which type or flavor of gene that they have. And so if we knew this information in advance, these individuals would be able to take either the right medication or the medication at the correct dose. We also have learned through some rare diseases in children that we can come up with a diagnostic and be able to find, is there something wrong with them? And I think the most important example of that, if you're interested in learning some more, is a story called 1 in a Billion, which is the first case that we used in order to understand how to use genome sequencing. So we've come a long way. We have a clinical program in place, but really the exciting part is we're just at the very, very beginning. So we have two missions within the HMGC. One is doing a clinical program and building this out and taking it to more clinics and more activities. And the other is a research project. And so hopefully you'll spend some time on the website learning a little bit more about it. If you're interested in the clinical program, we invite you to go to the Children's Hospital right now. Even if you are an adult who's interested in the genetics program, please start with the Children's Hospital link for right now. And then if you're interested in the research side, there's a whole bunch of information. And if you have questions that you didn't find, please feel free to contact us. We'd be happy to get back to you. Thank you for visiting us at the HMGC.